Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for Grade 2. We are learning Unit 3. It's a beautiful poem with title, It's Sports Day. Today is Lecture 8. Under writing title, we learn to write numbers in tens in words. We'll cover page number 27 of your book. Before this, in English for Grade 1, I have taught you how to write numbers from 1 till 10. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. And in Unit 2, we learned to write numbers from 1 till 50. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. So today we'll learn further and we'll write numbers in tens in words. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah says in Surah Ar-Rahman, verse 5, the sun and the moon are bound by a fixed calculation. So you see, my dear children, Allah has fixed the things by calculations. Calculations have been done by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for various things. So we are learning these calculations. And how do we do it? Let's see. It's 1. Okay, you know it's 1. This block is 1. And if we keep on counting, what does happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is a big block of 10 blocks. So when we join numbers, we get a bigger block. So today we learn how to make blocks of tens. And when we keep on counting in tens, usually this type of strategies we apply when we have to count a big number. So we keep on arranging the things in tens and then we count all together and we find out how much or how many the things are. Okay, so this is the practical implementation. Here I want to remind my fellow teachers along with this video lecture, in description box, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet has been attached. You may click the link, you may download it, you may print it and follow as it is, or you may modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear students. So this is how we get, when we count 1 till 10, what we get? We get 10. It's a block of 10. And if we keep on counting 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, we get 20. So these are now 10 and 10 makes 20. All right. This is what we call counting in tens. Now we keep on counting 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So when we count 10 more blocks, we get 30. 10 blocks, again 10 makes 20 and again 10 makes 30. This is how we count in tens. We keep on counting 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. It means 4 tens. 4 tens, when we count 4 times tens, it makes 40. Likewise, we keep counting, 5 tens make 50. And 6 10 makes 60. 7 10 makes 70. 8 10 make 80. 9 tens make 90 and 10 10 makes 100. If I say I have 100 blocks, it means I have 10 blocks and that makes 100. Are you clear with the concept? This is what we call counting in tens, right? So whenever you have a big number of things, you may arrange in this way and you may count it easily. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10. So keep on counting and find how many tens are there and then you can find the number. If there are 5 tens, it means there are 50. If there are 7 tens, it means there are 80. Likewise. Are you clear with the concept? Good job. So let's move on. Now, when we count in tens, we can write these numbers in words. right? This is what we are learning today. When we count in tens, we say 10. How do we write it? In words, T-E-N, 10. If it's 20, how do we write it? These are the T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. 30, 40, 50. This is the words description of the same number. Yes, my dear teachers, now pause the video over here and make the children to call the numbers in numbers and say the numbers in words. Make them to practice so that they identify how 70 looks in numbers and how do we write 70 in words. Make them to practice, then we'll switch to writing. Now pause the video and practice for saying these words in numbers and in words. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Can you do it by yourself? Okay, so here I have another description. Again, now this is the directly 10, again another 10, so it will be 20. Again another 10, it will be 30. Another 10, 40, 50. This is how you will write 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now again teachers pause the video and ask the students. First they can look at the board, they can say it, they can spell it, and then they will write in their notebook. Okay, now pause the video and write numbers in words in your notebook. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So we are going to practice from your book on page number 27. Now you can count in tens what you are and you know how to write from tens. What you are supposed to do, count the fingers and write the numbers in words. First has been done for you. Now the 5 and 5. So there are 10 fingers, 10 has been written. You will do for every word. So they are 10 and 10, 2 tens make 20. You will write 20 here. Now keep counting and keep writing in words. Pause the video and write it in your book. Yes, dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for a project that has been given in your book. What they want you make a poster of consonant cluster. I have taught you previously how you are going to do it. Look at these pages. Consonant clusters we have practiced. I taught you in detail. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. And these clusters, these words are again here in your project. You will make words with these consonant clusters. You will draw it, you will color it, you will take different objects, draw, color, and then you will paste them on a poster. You will paste the picture, you will write the name, and you will underline the cluster which makes this word. Are you clear? So I hope you are going to enjoy it. I have taken 2 objects. You may take any or many of your choice. Yes, dear teachers, I suggest this worksheet should be, this project should be given on weekend so that children can do it easily and they should enjoy this activity. This is for their practicing project. Yes, so it's time for your homework, my dear students. You will write in your notebooks numbers in words 1 till 10 in tens. This is what we have practiced today. So you will write it in your notebook. Again, I'm giving you a worksheet. Again, teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentations are given in the links in the description box. You may click it, download it, print it, and kindly give a printed worksheet to my children. And students, what you are supposed to do, you will read the number and you will write how many tens are there in this given number. Okay, so what we have learned today, we learned numbers in tens. We practiced counting numbers in tens, and we wrote numbers in tens in words, and this was our SLO which we achieved. write numbers in tens in words. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.